don't tell me you're still watching epic movies with some dingy speakers. Wait, you are? Okay, clear your calendar. We're talking about the Bose Smart Soundbar 900 and Bose Bass Module 700 because, honey, you need an upgrade. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward and on your screen as the host of Unbox This, if that wasn't already obvious. Speaking of, we're back with another episode of Unbox This. Today we're getting into Bose products that produce sound you can feel. The Bose Smart Soundbar 900 with the Bass Module 700. If you're ready to elevate your movie watching experience or your game playing experience, the Bose Smart Soundbar 900 with the Bass Module 700 work together to give you an immersive, rich audio experience. On top of that, it listens to you. I'll explain right after we unbox this. Got my box cutter? Let's do this. We get a box within a box. So all this time, we could have had this beautiful box on the table, and instead we had those cardboard boxes, but whatever. Oh, there's a little sticker peel right here. Wow, look at this. This is a very low profile soundbar, which I like. You can tell it's not very tall. Here we have your power cord. Here we have your optical audio cable. This is your HDMI cable. These are all your headset cables. Here's your quick start guide. These are your important safety instructions. We've got some batteries for your remote. It has a really nice feel to it. I like the material that they use on this remote. And we've got a peel moment. Love it. So that's everything that came in this box. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Now let's unwrap the soundbar. Wow, oh my gosh, this is very nice looking. So I really like this glossy finish on the top here. There's something about this that looks just a little bit more sophisticated and high quality than other soundbars we've unboxed on this show. And like I mentioned before, it's very low profile, so it's not going to stand too tall on the media center that you place this on, so that you don't have to worry about it covering your TV or anything like that. It looks really good. I love it. Let's move everything out of the way. I am a strong and independent woman who can take her own bass modules out of their cardboard boxes. No one doubt me ever again. First thing out of the box, we have an information pamphlet. Here we have your safety pamphlet. Wow, this is sleek looking. Oh, and it's heavy. Look at this. This doesn't even really look like a subwoofer, but you can tell it's very high quality. Again, it has that same glossy finish on the top here, which I still think just looks really sophisticated. I'm out of breath. That unboxing process was very difficult. I'm really glad I've got everything out of the box now. So let's set this all up and then we'll get into the details. So let's start off with the soundbar. A lot of soundbars claim to be able to give you a cinematic audio experience, but Bose has combined an omnidirectional bar with exclusive technologies that elevate your movie watching or music listening experience by separating instruments, dialogue, and effects and placing them in discrete parts of a room. You'll be hearing these details from the far left, the far right, or overhead to give you a really immersive experience. We unboxed this bag of head headset, cables, and connectors. Basically, what this is going to do is calibrate the sound to your room so you can get the best audio experience possible. This is a premium Dolby Atmos soundbar with 9 speakers, including 2 upward-firing dipole transducers. These work in conjunction with other proprietary technology to give you that multi-directional sound experience I keep talking about. So you basically get the benefit of a movie theater sound system in your own home, and on top of that, this soundbar can also be your companion. With Google Assistant and Alexa capabilities, you can speak to your soundbar to control your entertainment, create task lists for the day, and get information just by using your voice. This soundbar comes with noise-rejecting microphones, so even if it's loud in the room, your soundbar will still hear you. No crazy party or booming adventure scene in a movie is going to stop your soundbar from listening to you. So if you want to change the song, turn up the volume, or if you just need someone to listen to your problems, the Bose Smart Soundbar 900 has your back. And from my own personal experience, it's really quite nice. I don't know, Bose, I'm just feeling kind of off today. I went to Starbucks this morning and they gave me soy milk instead of almond milk in my coffee, and then I tripped when I was walking into the office. I just feel like everything's kind of going wrong today and I'm feeling really bummed out. That wasn't supposed to be on camera, so let's just move on. The Bose Smart Soundbar 900 can wirelessly stream your favorite music thanks to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and streaming platform connectivity. You can also group it with other Bose speakers, which is where the Bass Module 700 comes in. The Bass Module 700 enhances your soundbar by giving you that rumbly bass you can actually feel. Bose describes this subwoofer as the best wireless bass module they've ever designed for home theater systems. That's a pretty big statement. Like the soundbar, you get a clean, refined look from the Bass Module 700, but more importantly, it has a powerful driver and a port with quiet port technology that eliminates distortion. The Bass Module 700 is the perfect way to give your soundbar a little bit of extra oomph. Okay, you guys, well, I'm running late for another vent session with my Bose Smart Soundbar 900, so if you'd like these products for yourself, check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys!